Every year, Americans spend over $1 billion trying to kill rats. Traps, poison, exterminators. But the old farmers never needed any of it. They just grew the right plants. Tonight, I'm showing you the 7 they used, for free. Right here, gnaw marks on the fence post. Droppings near the shed. If you've seen this, you already know the frustration. But what if the rats themselves are telling you exactly what to plant? Plant number 1. Peppermint. Crush a single leaf, and you'll smell why rats can't stand it. Their noses are thousands of times more sensitive than ours, and this smell overwhelms them completely. Look at the difference. This bed, lined with peppermint, untouched. This one, just 10 feet away, dug up overnight. Same garden. Same rats. One plant changed everything. My neighbor didn't believe me. He'd tried 3 different poisons. Then he saw this bed for himself. Farmers in the 1800s lined their barns with mint for exactly this reason. It wasn't decoration. It was defense. And the best part? It keeps growing back, season after season. No spray. No cost. No mercy, for the rats anyway. But peppermint alone won't finish the job. There's a second plant, one that's probably already in your kitchen. Garlic. Not the kind from the store, fresh, whole, soil still on it. The sulfur inside is what does the work. Hang a few cloves near your shed door, and rats won't even cross the threshold. Their sense of smell can't handle it. It overwhelms their ability to navigate. I checked this shed every day for a week. Nothing. Not one mark. This trick is older than refrigeration itself. Long before pesticides existed, garlic braids hung in every barn in America. Boil it down into a spray, and you can protect the whole garden border, not just one shed. 2 plants down. 5 to go. And the next one might surprise you. It's beautiful, and it's deadly to rats for one simple reason. Rats won't touch the bulbs, and they won't dig anywhere near them either. This border of daffodils, completely untouched. The tulip bed right next to it, gone overnight. Rats know the difference, even if we don't. My neighbor couldn't figure out why only one bed survived. The answer was right under his nose the whole time. Inside every bulb is a natural compound that rodents instinctively avoid. Nature built its own defense system. We just forgot to use it. Plant them along any border you want protected. Once they take root, they keep working every single spring. 4 plants left. And the next one is the one big AG really doesn't want you growing in bulk. Marigold. That sharp smell you might not love? Rats hate it even more than you do. This whole vegetable row is bordered in marigolds. Not one bite mark. The unprotected row next door tells a very different story. Every tomato here, whole. That almost never happens this time of year. Marigold borders weren't a trend. They were standard practice on every working farm in this country, generation after generation. It also brings in the pollinators, while it keeps the rats away. 1 plant, 2 jobs. Plant number 5 grows wild on most properties, and most people pull it out without knowing what it does. Wormwood. Bitter enough to make you wince. To a rat, it's unbearable. This fence line, bordered in wormwood, clean. That one, 20 feet away, riddled with burrows. He checked twice. Still nothing. The smell alone was doing all the work. 19th century farmers planted wormwood as a living fence, a barrier no rat would cross. It's not pretty in the way marigolds are, but it might be the toughest plant on this list. Plant 6 is hiding in plain sight. It's probably in your fridge right now. Onion. Cut one open near a rat's nest, and watch how fast they relocate. This onion bed, completely whole. The potato bed beside it, dug through 3 times this month. Same soil. Same week. One smell made all the difference. Old farmhouses hung onions in the pantry for 2 reasons: to store them, and to keep the rats out of everything else, hang a few strings near any entry point. It costs nothing, and it never stops working. Last plant. And this one's going to surprise you, because everyone thinks it does the opposite of what it actually does. Catnip. You know it as the cat thing. But to a rat, the smell means only one thing: danger. This patch, clear. That shed, 30 feet away, infested. Rats smell catnip, and their instincts tell them a predator is close. There isn't a single cat on this property. Didn't matter. The smell alone was enough. Scientists later confirmed what old farmers already knew by instinct. This compound triggers a rat's deepest survival fear. 7 plants. All free. All proven over generations, long before anyone tried to sell you a solution. 7 plants. 0 cost. But here's the part that really makes me angry. Look at this from above. 7 plants. 1 continuous barrier. No traps. No poison. No subscription. No monthly delivery. The pest control industry made billions last year, selling poison, for a problem your great-grandparents solved for free. They were never going to tell you this. My neighbors don't buy traps anymore. They just ask me which plant to start with. Plant what the rats fear. Skip what the industry sells. Your land already has everything it needs.